Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix HP laptop Wi-Fi not working Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix HP laptop Wi-Fi not working Windows 11 enabling adapter. To start, enter View in the search box. Open View Network Connections. Here, select the Wi-Fi adapter. Click Enable this network device. Wait for it to be enabled. Chapter 2. How to fix HP laptop Wi-Fi not working Windows 11 changing DNS. To get started, enter View in the search box. Click on See Network Connections. Now right-click on the adapter and select Properties. In this window, click on Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Now check the option, use the following DNS server addresses. Enter one of the public IP addresses. Apply the changes. Chapter 3. How to fix HP laptop Wi-Fi not working Windows 11 updating driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu and open Device Manager. Now in Network Adapters, right-click on the Wi-Fi driver and click on Update Driver. After that, click on Search for drivers automatically. Wait to see if you can find an available update. Chapter 4. How to fix HP laptop Wi-Fi not working Windows 11 reinstalling driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu and click on Device Manager. Here under Network Adapters, right-click on the Wi-Fi driver and choose Uninstall Device. Confirm this by clicking Uninstall. When it is complete, in the Action menu, click on Scan for hardware changes. As you see, the network driver will be installed again. Chapter 5. How to fix HP laptop Wi-Fi not working Windows 11 from terminal. To start, right-click on Start and click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes to confirm. Here, release the IP address using the command ipconfig/release. Then, you are going to clear the cache with the command ipconfig/flushdns. Now renew your IP address with the command ipconfig/renew. Finally, reset the winsock catalog with the command netsh winsock reset. To apply these changes, you must reboot the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 6. How to fix HP laptop Wi-Fi not working Windows 11 resetting adapter. To start, from Start open Settings. Here, in Network and Internet, you are going to click on Advanced Network Settings. Then click on Network Reset, then click Reset Now. Select Yes to confirm. Close the pop-up window and restart your computer to apply these changes. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.